You wake up, you reach for your phone, you scroll, you check messages, you feel rushed, you feel behind before the day even starts. This is not discipline, this is survival mode, and survival mode keeps you stuck. Most people waste the most powerful part of their day. The first hour after you wake up is when your brain is most receptive to change. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus, decisions, and self-control, is at its peak. But you give that power away to notifications, emails, and distractions. You train your brain to react instead of create. You lose before you begin. Here is the truth. You are not too tired. You are not too busy. You are comfortable. And comfort is the enemy of growth. Waking up at 6 a.m. is not about the time. It is about ownership. It is about taking back control before the world demands your attention. When you wake up early, you are alone. No distractions, no interruptions, just you and your potential. So what do you do with that time? You move your body. Even 20 minutes of movement increases a chemical called BDNF in your brain. Think of it as fuel for your neurons. It helps your brain form new connections. It floods your system with dopamine and focus. You are not just exercising, you are upgrading your brain. Then you sit in silence. No music, no podcast, just 5 minutes of breathing or stillness. Research shows that 8 weeks of this practice create structural changes in your brain. You become calmer. You think clearer. You react less and respond more. This is not motivation. Motivation fades. This is rewiring. Every single morning you wake up at 6 a.m., you send a signal to your brain. This is who I am now. I do not wait for life to happen. I create it. Over 30 days, this becomes your identity. You will feel the shift, more energy, sharper focus, less stress. You will notice that problems do not overwhelm you anymore. You anticipate them. You solve them. Your discipline in the morning starts to show up everywhere, in your work, in your health, in your relationships. The question is not whether this works. The question is whether you will do it. Tomorrow morning, your alarm will ring. You will have a choice. Hit snooze and stay the same, or get up and become someone new. 30 days. That's all it takes. Not someday, tomorrow, at 6 a.m. Your brain is waiting.